Welcome back to my channel. Way to much you guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So in this video I will discuss regarding the checks to be done before appearing the synergy examination. Very important. They have clearly give the guidelines as you guys have seen already. So see, most of you I guess you will know that things, but still I want to tell you because lot of people are not aware of it, that how to check these things and all. Especially I'm talking about the laptop PC. Okay, so one by one I will tell you which all things you need to check, and obviously live demonstration will be there in my laptop screen. Okay, one by one we will do it. Video might get little longer, but please stick to it. It will be very beneficial for you. Okay, but before moving to the main topic, if you want to get your own Synergy study material kit, then go and check the description box. There you will find rank wise study material for your DEC Cadet, TME as well as the GP rating, and aptitude part is there, technical part and the interview part. Three of the part I have covered to make a good study material kit for you guys, so please check it out. Okay, so now let's move to the main topic, and one by one I will read, and obviously demonstration will be there for you. So first is that Windows 8 or above operating system, 2 GB or more RAM. Another is the dual core or i3 above processor. These three checks can be done in just one click. So let's see how to do it. So as you can see, the first three checks we will do first. Windows 8 means we have to check the operating system, the RAM and the processor. Okay, so what you have to do, go to this PC or in Windows 8 I think my computer, and press right click over it, not left click, right click. Okay, then go to properties. So I have already highlighted the three things. Windows 10, you can see right upper corner, means whether you will find Windows 8 also, but Windows 7 is not allowable. Okay, and here also you can see the RAM and the processor as you can see i7. This is very high-end PCs, that is not required. i3 or even core to do or dual core is enough. Okay, so RAM you required at least 2 GB. Here you can see 16 GB RAM, that is not required. 2 GB or more is fine. Okay, I would like to recommend you check the system type also. There is two type of system types basically in Windows, 32-bit and the 64-bit. So better to have the 64-bit, because in 64-bit you can install all the softwares, and nowadays all the software based on 64-bit operating system. So this part is clear, I guess. So I guess you have understood that point. Now the next point is attached or integrated working camera. Okay, so now let's check it. Now we'll check the camera. Okay, so camera, you go to the search and here you click camera. As if now I don't have any kind of integrated camera in my laptop. I used to have the additional external webcam, but now I don't have the access right now, that is not showing. But if you have a good camera, you can see your face into this black screen. Okay, you will not find this kind of black screen, you will find your own face. Okay, so that is the way to check the camera. So that is also, I guess I've understood. I didn't have camera in my laptop because it's a gaming laptop, the bezel is little less, and I am using the Logitech C320 something, I don't remember exactly, I don't recall that model number. I use that external webcam, but my friend has to do some Zoom call and also it took from me, so I don't have the camera right now, but okay, it's fine. So you understand how to check it camera. Now user account should have administrator privileges to install application. That is very important and little tricky also. Most of the guys don't know how to check it. I will tell you and I will show you how to check it. So let's do it. Now user account should have administrator privileges to the install application. That is very important. Just go to PC 1 minute, let me exit it. Okay, PC, this is the drive C or system drive. Okay, just click over here, right click. Okay, properties again, then you have to go to the security. So security is there, see administrator is written over here. Okay, so now you can see all the marks are ticked: full control, modify, read and execute, list, folder content, read, write, and the special permission. Special permission is not granted, so you can better you do special permission also. Okay, no, it's already granted, so no need to worry. If you find anything is unticked or unchecked, press edit, and here you can see check boxes are there. You can allow or deny, and as per that you should allow all the things. Click here administrator, so all the things allow. Okay, allow, and you should press OK. So that is the option, because they might send you an exe file, like in Android you have seen, no, that APK file in Apple product iOS. So iOS you cannot use, already they have mentioned. So exe file they might send you, so you have to install in your PC. So that is why you have to give all the permissions. Internet with consistent speed as equivalent to browsing. Okay, so this point I will tell you little bit later. Last point is also there, so I will tell you in the last point. Okay, just wait for it. Supported web browser Chrome version 80 or above. If you are using Firefox, then 75 or above. Okay, so this thing I will tell you how to check it the version. Okay, so let's move to laptop screen again and I will show you. Now fourth, not fourth actually. Okay, internet with consistent speed, I will show you later on, because last part also related to internet, so we'll connect those points and I will show you. Just wait for it. Now supported web browser Chrome and Firefox, you have to check the version. How to check? Go to, first you have to install. If already installed, don't need to install, just check the versions. Go to control panel, search and control panel, press uninstall program. Okay, here you have to find, see Google Chrome. Now see version is there, you can see the version 86.0 means more than 80, so that is fine. I have also Firefox in my system, so let me check the Firefox also. Yeah, Mozilla Firefox version 82, so that is fine. So like that you have to check the version. Okay, this is the version. So now the version you understand how to check it. Now unsupported web browser is Internet Explorer, you cannot use, and the Microsoft Edge. What is Microsoft Edge? Microsoft Edge nothing but the Internet Explorer, the updated Internet Explorer, which you will find in the Windows 10 and Windows 8, Windows 7. All this not you cannot use Windows 7. Windows 8 is the minimum requirement. So Windows 8 you will find the Internet Explorer, but in Windows 10 you will find the Microsoft Edge. Now 15 GB or more free disk space, that I will tell you. Let's move to my laptop screen. There I will show you how to check the disk space. Now to check the disk space, 15 GB. So please check any of the disk should be free more than 15 GB. Like all my disks, 4 disks are there, so all free more than 15 GB. Better to check the C drive, because, or you can manually install in other drive also, but you have to have at least 15 GB or more in any of the drive. Okay, now uninterrupted internet speed of 2 to 5 Mbps. Okay, so let's move to my laptop screen again and I will show you how to. So last but not the least, that is the internet speed. Okay, so how to check it, your internet speed? You go to any of the browser, Google open, type Ookla speed test. Okay, speed test by Ookla, click, and here go. You should have Wi-Fi connection. You can use your mobile hotspot or broadband fiber connection. So just click and wait for the connecting, 1 or 2 minutes maybe. So see my downloading speed around now 24, 25, 27, okay, 28, 28, okay, 27 Mbps download, and upload speed, okay, 27, I guess, still to it, 28, 29. Okay, so these are the results for my connection. Okay, so that's why you have to check your internet connection. So I guess I have clarified all the details, how to check all the parameters for your eligibility for the examinations, and of your what is called that, your ID card should be there and all. Okay, so Wi-Fi, if you don't have, you can use your mobile hotspot. At least try to get 12-13 GB, because you have to use your data for 3 hours. So there are special packs for your Jio, also your Vodafone, Airtel, both have 96 or something you have to use. So you can get 12 GB per day for 1 day. So you should recharge with that special recharge, because 1 GB per day or 2 GB per day will be not enough for the examination, what I feel. Okay, so I guess I've understood all the parameters and how to check procedure. I guess you have understood. So all the checks has been done. I guess you have understood how to check it. And do not forget to give a good what is called ID card proof. Use Aadhaar card or passport. Avoid the PAN card, because sometimes shipping company don't used to take the PAN card, so avoid it. And check all the PC requirement. Okay, you have to fulfill the requirement. There is no way, and there is no such question that mobile or PC. Obviously you need a PC or laptop. So because you have to install a software, okay, the exe file. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I guess you have understood the video. I have tried from my side level best to make you understand, and it was very easy also. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.